So as you can see, it snowed another 6 to 8 inches last night, and my family thinks it's just fine for me to have to walk through this shit and drag sled loads of food and feed and hay, if I can even get it, all the way down this fucking driveway, which is, I don't know, 300 feet long, 400 feet. Chronic back pain, fixed income, and this is fine. This is fine for me to live like this, to get a ride 20 minutes away to take a fucking hot shower, and this is fine. This is absolutely not what I fucking signed up for, and I have been screaming to get out of this situation for 9 years now, so really having a good time. Right now it's really fun spending another birthday and Christmas in this fucking situation. It's just so uplifting and not fucking depressing and crushing at all to have to do this. Buck is literally sinking into the pile of snow that the town plow dumps into the top of the driveway every year. It's gonna be 3 or 4 feet in here. It's gonna go up to my waist when I get up here. Every time I plant trees along here to keep the snow from coming showering down into the driveway, the town comes along with this giant fucking mower thing, at taxpayer expense, of course, and hacks all my fucking trees down. So, even after being told repeatedly not to, they keep doing it. So, there's a video about that. If I bothered putting it up this year, I don't remember. Everything is a depressing blur. I can barely walk through this shit. Look at this. He must have sprayed this 20 feet onto the top of my driveway. Entire driveway is covered. So it's fun having no equipment to clear any of this snow, and the longer this goes on, the more I am stuck here hopelessly for the entire winter with no way to get supplies down to the house or to the animals, and no way to get out of here, and no way to have any type of life that anybody would sign up to live. So that's fun. Oh nice, I just cleared out this space the other day and now it's filled with shit from the plow again. And look at my poor fucking car. This is just wonderful. I'm so enjoying this right now. Would I be complaining if I had the equipment that every single person on this fucking road has? No, I wouldn't. A tractor and a UTV with a plow are standard equipment for surviving winter up here. And I have neither, and nobody cares. So that's fun. That makes me feel so fucking wonderful inside, so warm and fuzzy. That nobody gives a fuck that I don't have any equipment to possibly exist up here. Well, I didn't catch him doing it this time, but here we have more evidence of this guy taking the snow from his driveway and pushing it right across the road onto my land, which is totally fucking illegal. And a really, really, really dick move. Look at this. He's taking all the shit from his driveway and putting it on my property. What the fuck, dude? What is your problem? It is December 8th, and he's done it again, everybody. 8 of my 10 poles have vanished, and this is all on private property. Every inch of that snow pile is on my land. And way over the town's right of way. Every fucking inch of it is on my land. And out of the town's right of way. The town's right of way ends about where I had the poles, give or take, which are right about here. Every inch of this is illegally parked on my land. And right now I have a shovel, no UTV, and no tractor to fix this. And I'm extremely angry that I've been spending an average of 2 or 3 hours until my body completely gives out from exhaustion and pain, shoveling this shit back over across the town right-of-way line. I've had it with this shit. Here's where the poles are. Here's where the mound of snow is. And none of my signs. This is all on private property. Every inch of it. And it's right above a watershed. It's right above a watershed with multiple springs and ponds that I just dug, which you are seeing in videos right now on my channel. Yeah, this is all right above my ponds, and all of my signs and posts are missing. And this guy is not only trespassing, but what would you call this? Land violence? That he's pushing my poles down and pushing my signs down and putting a snowbank on my land. Clearly marked, clearly measured. And I think he's getting off on it at this point, so time to start shoveling, I guess. I get to shovel all of this by hand again. And the pile keeps growing every couple of days. As we can see, this is all on personal property with no trespassing, no dumping, no parking, stay out signs. See, somebody threw some shit on that one. Isn't that nice of them? And you can see the dirt and the crud and the tire pollution, the microplastics, from the road being pushed down the hill intentionally, right towards my brand new ponds and my spring. I was out here shoveling for 3 hours yesterday, and I took all this snow and dumped it right back where it belongs with these stakes and put my poles and my sign back up, and somebody has come along with I don't know what. I don't know if the town did this or if a neighbor did this, but all the snow I just removed is right back where it was. Somebody has dumped all this snow right back in here again, and I am filled with rage right now, to put it mildly. I shoveled for 3 hours yesterday removing this shit. 3 hours. Here's the tire tread of whoever did it. And I don't know who did it. It was probably a neighbor. Let's see if we can follow the tire tread. See where it might have come from. I bet it was this guy up here with the fucking pigs. Do we have tire tread matching coming from here? I bet we do. Yeah. This is absolutely unproof. I thought I was going to finish this up with a couple more hours of shoveling today, and instead it's probably going to be 4 or 5 hours. I have to redo everything I did yesterday. They really outdid themselves this time, whoever did this. There's orange spray paint on my land. Everybody see that? And look how far down into the woods they're dumping. Every bit of this snow is on my property and not within the town's right of way. And right down there is my pond with a spring feeding it, one I was going to tap for drinking water. So